Which country has the world's largest defense budget? And the correct option is USA. What is the name of the elite UK Special Forces unit? And the correct option is SAS. Which country operates the most aircraft carriers? And the correct option is USA. How many active duty soldiers does India maintain? And the correct option is 1.4 million. Which country is famous for its Iron Dome defense system? And the correct option is Israel. What is the name of Russia's elite special operations force? And the correct option is Spetsnaz. Which nation has the largest standing army by personnel? And the correct option is China. What is the primary stealth fighter of the U.S. Air Force? And the correct option is F-35. Which country is home to the fierce Gurkha soldiers? And the correct option is Nepal. What is the name of the French elite counter-terrorist unit? And the correct option is GIGN. Which country produces the Leopard 2 main battle tank? And the correct option is Germany. Where is the headquarters of the U.S. Department of Defense? And the correct option is the Pentagon. Which country has the largest fleet of nuclear submarines? And the correct option is USA. What is the name of India's elite naval special forces? And the correct option is Marcos. Which organization is a military alliance of 31 countries? And the correct option is NATO. What is the world's most widely produced assault rifle? And the correct option is AK-47. Which country maintains the Swiss Guard for protection? And the correct option is Vatican City. What is the name of the U.S. Navy's elite sea, air, land teams? And the correct option is SEALs. Which country is famous for the Foreign Legion? And the correct option is France. What is the name of the largest non-nuclear bomb in the U.S.? And the correct option is MOAB. Which country has the highest number of nuclear warheads? And the correct option is Russia. What is the primary main battle tank of the United States? And the correct option is M1 Abrams. Which country developed the S-400 missile system? And the correct option is Russia. What is the name of the elite Israeli intelligence agency? And the correct option is Mossad. Which country uses the K-2 Black Panther tank? And the correct option is South Korea. What does the acronym RADAR stand for? And the correct option is radio detection. Which country operates the Su-57 fifth-generation jet? And the correct option is Russia. What is the name of the U.S. Army's primary transport helicopter? And the correct option is Black Hawk. Which country has the most powerful navy in Asia? And the correct option is China. What is the name of the UK's primary main battle tank? And the correct option is Challenger 2. Which country produces the Rafale fighter jet? And the correct option is France. What is the name of India's primary nuclear-capable missile? And the correct option is Agni. Which nation is known for its Blue Beret peacekeepers? And the correct option is United Nations. What is the term for a ship that can submerge underwater? And the correct option is submarine. Which country has a mandatory military service for all men? And the correct option is South Korea. What is the name of the U.S. Air Force's secret testing base? And the correct option is Area 51. Which country developed the Merkava tank? And the correct option is Israel. What is the name of the fastest missile in the world? And the correct option is BrahMos. Which country has the world's second largest air force? And the correct option is China. What is the name of the elite U.S. Army Special Forces? And the correct option is Green Berets. Which country produces the Gripen fighter jet? And the correct option is Sweden. What is the name of the most advanced U.S. aircraft carrier? And the correct option is Gerald R. Ford. Which country is the largest exporter of weapons? And the correct option is USA. What is the name of the Russian intercontinental missile? And the correct option is Sarmat. Satan II. Which country's special forces are known as Frogmen? And the correct option is Denmark. What is the primary role of an AWACS aircraft? And the correct option is radar/control. Which country has the largest coast guard in the world? And the correct option is USA. What is the name of the first nuclear-powered submarine? And the correct option is Nautilus. Which country's military is often called the IDF? And the correct option is Israel. What is the name of the U.S. presidential aircraft? And the correct option is Air Force One. Which country uses the Arjun main battle tank? And the correct option is India. What is the primary purpose of a stealth aircraft? And the correct option is radar invisibility. Which country has the most military satellites in space? And the correct option is USA. What is the name of the elite guard for the King of Thailand? And the correct option is King's Guard. Which country operates the Iron Beam laser defense? And the correct option is Israel. What is the name of the world's most powerful sniper rifle? And the correct option is Beret M8. Which country's military history includes the samurai? And the correct option is Japan. What is the term for a pilot who shoots down 5+ planes? And the correct option is ace. Which country is the world's largest importer of arms? And the correct option is India. What is the name of the U.S. space-focused military branch? And the correct option is